Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy RonTrades, and we're back here with another trading video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over how I determine my daily bias and my weekly bias. So right here, guys, this video was also requested from some of my subscribers and also a good friend of mine in my Discord chat. If you guys are not in my Discord chat, definitely feel free to join if you want to. But if you guys can see here, this is basically how I analyze and get my daily bias and my weekly bias. So this is actually going to be me actually doing my weekly narrative right here on this video. So this should be very cool. So you guys can see how I'm looking at the charts on the weekends and how I'm getting prepared for next week and how I'm knowing what direction price knowing what direction price is trying to go. So right here, guys, what I'm looking at now, price came down here and took out this short-term low right here in the DXY. DXY is in a premium market on a weekly time frame, so we could see price come back down, or we could see price go down and take out sell side, which we have here. Slightly relative equal lows here, so I probably like to see price come down to the 107 level, but this is a weekly time frame. So with that narrative there, I am pretty much bearish on the DXY, so we already know what that means. I'm going to be what? I'm going to be bullish on the euro dollar, or I'm going to be bullish on GU, or I'm going to be bullish on AU. Anything that correlates with this DXY, I'm going to be looking to do the opposite. So once again, guys, I'm getting my narrative here. We had price come down, take out this short-term low here. We had price rebalance itself nicely inside of a fair value gap imbalance here, whatever you want to call it. Price rebalances itself very nicely. We get a nice reaction here for this for last week. So like I said, guys, going into next week, I'm going to be looking for some euro dollar loans, and this is my chart markups for euro dollar. Same narrative on the DXY. We came up and we did what? We took out a short-term high. We took out a short-term high on the euro dollar. DXY took out a short-term low. Euro dollar took out a short-term high. Once this is breaking, it's going to cause a break in structure, market structure shift, whatever you want to call it. What do we have here for last week? Price came back down and rebalanced itself here, filled in this fair value gap, imbalance, order block, whatever you want to call it. It respected it nicely, pulled back off of it. So what am I going to look for next week? I want to see, let's go to the daily time frame. I would love to see price do what? So right here, I would read the tape like this. I would basically say I want to see price come down and make the low of the week. I want to see the low of the week made. That can be made anywhere. That can be made at any time. I'm not here trying to predict when the low of the week is going to get made. I don't predict the market. I move with the market. I'm not a predictor, right? I don't guess. I move with what price is showing me, or I move with what my eye is seeing. And right now, my eye is seeing a long position on the euro dollar. Why? We had a breaker structure taking out this short-term high here, rebalance ourselves back down inside of a PD array, bullish order block here. We technically are still inside of this bullish order block, which is going to be here. Right here, last down close candle. We did kind of go through it a little bit, but we basically did respect it. Price pulled right back up inside of it here. So I'm using this as my my POI range here. So I want to potentially see price come down, make the low of the week, like I say, and I want to see go ahead and see price start to target up here. We got buy side liquidity resting here. If price doesn't go all the way up there, I don't care, as long as I know that we could potentially come down and make the low of the week and see an expansion higher. That's all I need. I don't need for price to get exactly where I said it is. That's not really intriguing to me. What's intriguing to me is getting the right bias and catching some of that move. So that's how I basically determine my daily bias, guys, and my weekly bias. So once again, real quick, I come to my charts and I look for breaker structure. So let's go back here. Let's go back to the weekly time frame on the euro dollar. It's real quick. So I'm gonna slow it down here and just kind of give you guys my steps of how I do it. Like I say, this is how I do it. Some people may do it better than me. Some may do it another way, but this is what works for me. So like I said, I come to my charts, guys, and I basically analyze, do I see breaker structure? Are we in a premium or a discount? What are we right now? Where are we right now in the market? We are in a discount market. Why am I selling so low? We're gonna see a buy soon. When? I don't know, but I know we're gonna see a buy soon. Why? Because we're in a deep discount. The likelihood of price just continuing to fall off, that must mean we have some major economic news. And going to next week, we don't really have a lot of economic news. So that's why I'm very confident that we probably see the low of the week made, and we start to see a rally higher to go for buy side. Right, so like I said, guys, I come to my charts, I identify, are we in a discount or a premium? Here we're in a discount. Do I see breaker structure? Yes. So that's two check off. We're in a discount, check off 1. Do we have breaker structure? Yes, right here, taking out a short-term high. Check off 2. Did price rebalance itself inside of a PD array? Yes. Check off 3. Price came down inside this fat value gap, order block, imbalance, whatever you want to call it. But it did it. That's check off 3. So now what is check off for? We wait for the market to open up, and we wait for the low of the week to be made, and we go down to our lower time frames and we start to execute. So yeah, guys, that's really it. Real quick video. Like I said, guys, this is how I determine my daily and weekly bias. So going into next week, I shouldn't be looking for shorts, because I just got here and I just got up here and showed you guys my my long bias. So I should go into next week looking for longs. I should go into next week with the narrative, hey, I'm going to wait for price to make the low of the week, and then we're going to start hunting long positions. That's how I do it, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you guys. If it didn't, I'm sorry. This is how I read the market. This is how my eyes train. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, guys, like I say, I did just have my kids. So if I don't post a lot like I used to, guys, like every single day, that's gonna be why, obviously. But I will still continue to keep pushing out content each and every week. Like I say, guys, I will stay consistent through no matter what obstacle I go through in life. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Hope you guys enjoy, and peace out.